years, y'all. 50 years. This is going out to hip-hop pioneers. $50 years, y'all. 50 years. This is going out to hip-hop pioneers. It's our 50-year anniversary. I remember when I first heard Spoonie G and Kool Moe Dee. Special K, Sunshine to Treacherous Street. When we hit the clubs in NYC, usually the MC was Chief Rocker Busy B. On WHBI, Supreme Team had a cause, and T. Rock set it off with "It's Yours." Kurtis Blow was ruling the world, and MC Lyte was my favorite beat girl. There was Roxanne Shontae, Queen Latifah and Moni, Bahamadia and Heather B, Sha-Rock, Salt and Pepper and Paula Perry, Jazzy Joyce and Sweet Tea, Vanessa and Quest and Pepperly. Pooh, you know how we do when we reminisce about the old school. Come on. We would dance to the drummer's beat. Yeah, Chuck Rock and Hot Diggity. Kid and Play could rap and dance as well. And LLCoolJ was hard as hell. Rockin' Chaka Khan. Chaka Khan was my man Melly Mel. The Cold Crush versus the Fantastic Five. Then came the Gods when Rakim arrived. Lakim Shabazz, Brand Nubian. Poor Righteous Teachers, King, Son and them. Public Enemy and X-Clan. Guru and Premier would build and expand. Pete Rock and CL Smooth and his Aunt Joyce. Then came KRS, the People's Choice. Just Ice, D Nice and K Solo. Big Daddy Kane, Kool G Rap and Polo. Yo, almost forgot to mention my peoples, Nice and Smooth. Now let me get back into the groove. We had Dana Dane, and I remember meeting Tito. The Fearless Four, Houdini was our friends. Ralph McDaniel was always playing them. Jeru the Damager, Lord Finesse. It was hard to tell who was the best. Digging in the crates, Smith and Wesson. And Rakim made you study your lessons. Chubb Rock, Heavy D, and the Fat Boys. Cypress Hill, MC Search, and the Beastie Boys. Chris Cross made us jump. Digital Underground with the Humpty Hump. Ice-T, NWA, and Too Short. Luke Skywalker, rocking outside of New York. Stetson Sonic, the hip-hop band. Then came the Roots to build and expand. James Brown was our chief soundtrack. As we spit on our heads, pop and lock and rap. Just begun. Our favorite DJs would play all of that. It's the magic of Molly Mall, Red Alert, and Chuck Chill Out, y'all. Stretching Bobito. And WHBI, WNWK, Underground Radio. We love to go to Broadway International. The Red Parrot and the Roxy, Disco Fever, the Skate Key, Harlem World, to hear the fresh MCs and see all the B-girls. The Latin Quarters in Union Square, the Rooftop, Willie Burger, I see you there. Slick Rick and Dougie Fresh and the Lottie Dottie. Melly Mel said, come on y'all, let's party that party. Run DMC with the Kings of Rock. And Dougie Fresh kept us rising to the top. You had the Crash Crew and the Fantasy 3. You gotta believe with Love Bug Starsky. We was doing the WAP and the Pee Wee Herman. Mad Cruz was up in Mount Vernon. For some C's up in Staten Island. Singing like birds, keeping the girls smiling. Brooklyn's in the house. Don't start wildin'. Hip-hop police, racial profiling. KRS-One said stop the violence. Running things with the Zulu Nation. The Ansars and the 5% Nation. The Latin Kings, it was mutual respect. Nas and Mobb Deep rap Queensbridge Projects. AZ, so underrated. Jay-Z, smart how he played it. Cats was shook by 50 Cent and Mobb Deep. Can't forget Tupac and Biggie, Big L, Little Kim and Foxy. Little Kim and Foxy made hip hop become so sexy. Shout out to Charlie Baltimore. Peace to Coca La Rock, Jazzy J, and Happy. The Furious Five, original pioneers. Yo, fall back, I can't mention all of them here. I can't mention all of y'all on one record, but I'm making sure I'm making a public record so I can kick the truth to the young black youth. Peace to Wu-Tang Clan, the greatest rap group of all time. Oh, y'all want shout outs? Shout out to Universal Queen Nina, Princess Ladita, Ron Alexander, Kiana. I know Mad Cats be hated, but Funkmaster Flex be dominated. Derek D. Dot, Angelette, Cool Klein and Lightning Lance, the Ruptors Games, original B-Boy Claude out of Inglewood, DJ Clue, Tony Touch, the Warlocks, Russell Rush, M.O.P., MC Shan, Rob Bass, Casanova C, Miss Jones, Nate Dogg, Warren G. Corrupt, Nate Dogg, I said Nate Dogg, Suge, Diddy, Master P, Biz Markie, Waterbed Kevin is ready for love, Father MC. All we did was smoke mad isms. Channel Live CNN, Diggable Planets. I'm the greatest man alive, P.S. Dawn, Illinois Scratch, Ja Rule, Ed Lover, Miss Jones, DJ Envy, DJ Clue, DJ Mike Spot, DJ Enix, DJ Bent Rock, D Nice, Supernatural, DMX, Eve, Erica Badu, Craig Mack, Black Rob, whoa, Mark Curry, yo, Bruce McKins, also Dash Effects, Redhead Kingpin, Junior Mafia, Fat Joe, Terror Squad, Death Row,